Really, Joe? Really? Check out them gas prices. I can tell you now, I'm glad I have the DUALSPORT to ride instead of driving a vehicle back and forth to work. This is ridiculous. Oh, I don't know how to put it. Say anything too much on here and it offends somebody, but I hope all you people that voted for the idiot are happy. But it is what it is. It's going to take a lot of prayer. So on the CRF300L, I will post a link below where you can see my 2 videos on the fuel mileage, because I've made a couple videos, 2 or 3 videos, showing how many miles I get on the fuel, on the regular fuel. So I totally filled the bike up and I actually ran this thing completely till it run out of gas. I had some spare gas on the back. I had the roto packs on my rack, so I had a spare gallon. When I ran out of gas, then I could fill it up and go ahead and go. And then I used the premium, filled it up, and rode it again till I ran out of gas. So it kind of gives you an idea. Now, every bike's not the same, every riding style is not the same, but it does give you an idea of what the fuel mileage on the CRF300L is. And if you got a 250L, it's just going to be pretty close. So, and most DUALSPORTs like this, little one-lungers, seem to be, you know, comparable probably. So, yeah, I'm going through town. It's cutting a different way back. Going home after work, seen them fuel prices. Well, I had put gas in yesterday. It was $4.19. You can see I'm already down. Dropped a bar or 2 on there, but actually that was the day before yesterday. Yeah. But anyway, it was $4.19 then. Now, and then now I look on the way home and it's $4.39. Now that's there at the Fast Trip here in Cassville, which is the highest price in town right now. Other places are $4.19 still, but you know, it just depends on, I think, when they get the fuel, when they get a tanker in. So when the other companies there, the other gas stations get a tanker in, they're going to jack their price up. They got to, you know, you can't blame it on the gas stations. It's not the gas stations causing the problem. The biggest problem with this whole mess is they shut down the pipeline here in the United States, and you know, you cut off all the oil and we're dependent on other countries to get oil, which is really illiterate. You're not saving any pollution by burning gas from another country. We're just paying more. You know, why not have our own fuel? We can. But we got one heck of a mess, and I don't see no end to it, guys. It's going to be a long time before we're through this. So hopefully you own a Honda CRF300L, a CRF250L, some kind of DUALSPORT, or any motorcycle. It's still going to get better than a car, most likely. But so comment below, guys, and let me know, what are you paying per gallon where you're at, what state, and how much it is per gallon. I just like be interested to see the different parts of the country, what you're paying. I know some places like California, you keep seeing it on the news, like California is probably one of the highest ones, but my son lives in Arizona, and I looked today and it was like $4.59 a gallon. So yeah, post and let's see what you paid for gas where you're at, and how high do you think it's going to go, and what do you think the problem is? Why is it the way it is? If I can get across this highway, which is usually a mess. See that Can-Am Spider there? It's pretty wild. I've seen them. They give the drivers course down here, motorcycle course, when you get your motorcycle license down here in town. And they have one of them out there taking it. It's like, well, that's kind of cheating, ain't it? But I guess that's what you ride, and it is considered a cycle. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Right on.